Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need to begin with the correct sequence settings so Premiere preserves quality. Start by importing your portrait footage, then create a new sequence that matches the clip's frame size and frame rate. This prevents scaling artifacts. Once done, duplicate the sequence or enable auto reframe to keep an original copy. Make sure to set playback resolution to full only for final checks. Otherwise, use 1/2 for smoother editing while you rotate and scale. Now you rotate and recompose the image so it reads in landscape. With the clip selected, go to Effect Controls and set rotation to 90 degrees. This flips portrait into landscape orientation. Then adjust scale until the height fills the new frame or accept some cropping. Scale up increases quality loss, so balance carefully. Use position to move the subject into the landscape composition, and add simple position keyframes if you need a slow pan to reveal edges. Finish by confirming the sequence resolution is landscape. Set it to 1920 by 1080 or your target, then render the timeline to preview. Export with H.264 and match source high bitrate to preserve detail. Make sure bitrate settings match delivery needs. If you see black bars or clipped edges, try scaling slightly, enabling auto reframe, or duplicating the clip with a blurred scale-up background to fill bars. This quick fix avoids re-editing while keeping the subject centered.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.